Hello, welcome to Grade 4 Maths Term 1 Workbook Guide. Today we'll be doing page 9 to 10, and I am your teacher, Mr. Darren. And our quote for today is, "Education is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today." So education is, of course, what you're learning. Sometimes looked at as just what you're learning in school, but you are learning all the time, whether you're at home, whether you're out and about in different places, you're always learning. But make the most of your education while you are in school, because it will always be with you into the future. And if you work hard in school, do your best, then you'll be ready for anything you need to do in the future when you're older. On with the maths. Page number 9. So here we have to write these numbers in numerals. So they're in words here, and all you've got to do is write them in numerals here and here. So you have 6,056. 8,605, and those are your two numbers. So be careful with the first one. There's going to be one of the place values is 0. So make sure you put the correct place value as 0 in the first one. Then number 2, the opposite way round, write the numbers in words. So remember, like here, your commas, and if you have a word in the teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, etc., make sure there's a hyphen in between the two words like this. And your numbers are 5,938 and 3,412. So write them in words here and here. And then number 3, fill in the blanks. So A, in the number 7,091, the digit something is in the hundreds place value. So just check what digit is in the hundreds place value and write it here. And the digit something is in the units place value. So have a look in the units place value and decide what number should go here. B, in the number 9,713, the value of the digit 9 is something. So look where the value 9 is, and then depending on the place value it is, you may have to write some zeros to the right of it to make up the value. And then the value of the digit 3 is, and then write that there. And then finally C, in the number 6,237, the digit 3 stands for, so check what place value 3 is in, write it here. Same with the number 6, check which place value it is and write in here, and write the appropriate number of zeros after it to represent its value. Page number 10. Quite a short one today, just 2 pages. And we have question 4 here. Write the missing numbers. We have 5,000s, 500s, and 6 tens. So I want you to write the 4-digit numeral here. So write your thousands, hundreds, and tens. And remember, you have no units, but you're still going to need a 0 there, so remember that. Same again for this one, and this one. 9,000, 3 tens, 9 units. 8,000, 200, 6 units. 2,000s, and 5 tens. So just be careful where your zeros are going to go if that place value is not in any of the written numbers here. Fill in the blanks. So you're just adding them all together. There's no regrouping or anything here. If there was any regrouping, you would need to start from the units and move from left to right. But in this instance, it doesn't matter, but it is always good practice to do the units first and then do the tens and the hundreds and the thousands. So work from the right to the left to write your number. But you can do it either way here, though, because there is no regrouping. So feel free to do it either way here. Then you've got 3,000, a 40, and a 9. Then you've got 4,908 equals 4,000 plus something. So you just got to fill in the hundreds here. Then you've got 3,255. So there's the missing thousands there and the missing tens here. Question 6. Sam makes a 4-digit number using the digits below. The sum of the digits in the thousands and hundreds place is 3. The difference between the digits in the hundreds and tens place is 9. What number did Sam make? Okay, so a little more thought to go into this one. Let's have a look at this question. So what information do we have? It's going to be a 4-digit number. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So you can also write your place values here to help you. So you've got your units, your tens, then you've got your hundreds, and then you've got your thousands. So, what else do we know? The sum of the digits in the thousands and hundreds places is 3. So, the thousands and the hundreds. Remember, sum, S-U-M, sum, just means adding all the numbers together. So, this plus this is going to equal 3. So, you can see the only way you're going to get that is 3 plus 0. So one will be 3, one will be 0. I won't tell you which one, but have a think about it. And then we've got the difference between the digits in the hundreds and the tens places is 9. So you got the hundreds here and the tens here. So if, remember, difference is just minus. So you're going to have a number minus another number equals 9. So out of these 4 numbers down here, the difference between 2 of them is 9. So if you can work that out, it will also tell you what number is here, and there'll be 1 number left over here. And that'll be able to give you your 4-digit answer to go here. Okay, I won't give you any more help than that, because otherwise I'll just be telling you the answer. So hopefully that has given you a clue as to what to do. And then finally, number 7. I am the smallest 4-digit number. What number am I? So remember, so it has to be 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And what is the smallest number that can be in there? And remember, if it's 4 digits, you can't have a 0 here. So there can't be a 0 here. Otherwise, if there was a 0 here, then the number would only be 3 digits long. This doesn't count if it's a 0. So there must be a number of at least 1 here. So have a think about it and write your 4-digit number here. Okay, that's the end of the lesson today. Thank you for learning with me. Keep pushing on through the book and in maths and in school in general. You can do it. I believe in you. We're going to do it together and you're not alone. Goodbye for today.